Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Apple once again, and for today's video, we're cooking. The name of the recipe that I have here, I call it Ginisang Togue with upo. I don't know if that's really the name of it, but that's how I call it. Here are the ingredients that we need. Alright, let's start cooking. So for our first step, heat oil in a pan and saute garlic and onions. Next, we add tomatoes. Then, add the toge. Cook it for a few minutes. Next is to add the pork. Cook it until it turns light brown. Add half pitcher of water. And at the same time, add as well the shrimp cube and cover it. Let it boil for 30 minutes or until the pork is tender. Then add the upo and cook it for a few minutes or until it softens. For the last step, just add salt to taste. Stir it and simmer for a few minutes. Now, our Ginisang Togue with upo is ready. Just transfer it to a bowl and we're ready to eat. I hope this video helped you a lot, and if you like it, hit thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel too. Click the bell button right next to it for you to be updated of my new uploads. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you on my next one. Goodbye!